Hello. Okay, so today I'm going to do a basic hack, and then I'm going to show you how to use a cream bronzer, because I have this fantastic cream bronzer. It is such a beautiful color. But I'm just going to do my basic hack. To know any of the colors I'm using today in this video, just go ahead and comment below and comment colors, and then I will respond to you, because everybody uses a little bit different colors. But if you're wanting to know like blush or lip colors or whatever colors that I'm using, if you're interested in that, just drop a comment below and we will talk colors. So I'm just contouring the places on my face where there is a natural shadow and adding some depth and dimension to my face. You can already see that. Yeah. So, and I'm, yeah, it makes a huge difference, and it only takes a few minutes to get like a full-on highlight and contour. Like, really? Like, how awesome is that? Awesome sauce. Sorry, I'm singing. I don't know why I'm singing. So I just got my hair done. I am back to a blonde. I haven't been a blonde, let's see, when did I want to say it had to be like September. I went red, because I've always, I have a lot of natural red in my hair, but I've never like full on been a redhead. And so I tried that out, and people like thought that that was my natural hair color. And now I am back to closer to what I was, like my natural hair color when I was a kid, back to my blonde roots. Yeah, coloring your hair darker is just like so much upkeep, and then it made me look gray and old. I don't want to look old gray, and I am so bad at scheduling my hair appointments and like regularly. I try and schedule them while I'm there getting my hair done, so it's just scheduled, it's done, and then I don't have to think about it. I just go back. But yeah, I am so bad about my hair. Do you guys do, yeah, I have never dyed my own hair. Not one time in my whole life have I dyed my own hair. I have always gone to somebody. Probably because my mom had a really good friend when I was growing up who did hair. So I just always went to her. And I never once have dyed my own hair. So it pretty much terrifies me at this point in my life. So I always go to a salon, but I am so bad at like scheduling that. So I'm highlighting all the places where I need to be brightened up. So under my eyes, my chin, my forehead.
Mom, what are you doing?
I'm doing my makeup. What are you doing?
Oh, I like the makeup.
You like my makeup? Thank you, Clara. Can you guys see? Oh, she left. She likes my makeup. My daughter, she is a little over 2.5. I cannot believe it. She is getting like so grown up. It's crazy how they just all of a sudden one day you look at them and you go, this is a child. This is not a baby anymore. She is a child. So I'm just blending. I'm doing what I do to do my makeup quickly. And I like blending with a brush. I totally do, if I'm taking a little more time, use the Beauty Blender and blend with that. But I didn't even get it wet today. So I'm just blending with my brush. that will work out just fine for me today. So, add my blush. Add pink on my cheeks to match the pink on my shirt. I did a little kind of pinky eyeshadow look today. I don't know, my daughter is out there watching YouTube and having a snack, so I thought I would hurry up in here, get my face on, because we're gonna go out to dinner a little later and show you guys Bella, the cream bronzer, Bella for summer, because it's awesome. It is awesome. I was always like, that's too much. So this is, I got the basic hack on. I'm gonna wait to do my illuminator until after. Add that little extra shimmer and shine. But I'm gonna take my big fluffy bronzer end and just lightly go over that. And then I usually just rub it on my arm a little bit to make sure I don't have any chunky. And then I just kind of go up and around. I don't want to go over my highlighted area a lot, just because I still want that highlight. I still want that contrast. So I'm going to kind of frame my face with it. Get a little more on my brush, and I'm just like lightly brushing. Not getting a lot. I'm just gonna go right here. So you're going to places where the sun would naturally give you a little sun kiss. And the great part about cream is that yeah, if you get a little too much, I can come back in with my highlight color and just add a little more highlight in if I get a little too much anywhere. But oh my gosh, you guys, is that not absolutely gorgeous? Like instant tan. And because I am wearing sunscreen on my face, I wear sunscreen on my face doesn't tan as much as like the rest, like my arms and everything. So it is so awesome in the summer to have Bella bronzer. You look all tan and summery, and you match the rest of your body without getting like sunburned on your face, right? Because you don't want to tan your face, you don't want to age your face. You want to wear sunscreen every day, protect that beautiful skin on your face, and then just add some beautiful bronzer. So, alright, and finish off with my setting spray. And girls, you want a lot of setting spray. If you can see how wet, hopefully you can see that my skin is. That's what helps set your makeup. So, okay, I am done. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you want to know any of the colors that I used today or have any questions about the bronzer, I am loving a cream bronzer. It is totally awesome. It is so easy. It's going to last me forever because I barely use any of it. And it gets me looking all beautiful and tan. Ooh, I still have setting spray. But that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye. See you next time.